Hi guys! Welcome sa video tutorial namin. Kasama nyo kami, sina Joy, Ira, June, Aaron, at Rain. Tuturuan namin kayo kung paano mag-set up ng VirtualBox at mag-install ng dalawang magkaibang operating system, Ubuntu at Linux Mint. Pareho silang Linux-based pero may mga pagkakaiba pagdating sa interface at experience. Ready na kayo? Tara, simulan natin. Hey!
Paano mag-install ng VirtualBox? Okay, para makapag-install tayo ng Ubuntu at Linux Mint, kailangan muna natin ng VirtualBox. Ito yung tool na mag-aalaw sa atin na gumawa ng virtual computer sa loob ng tunay mong PC. Ito ang step by step. First, buksan ang browser at pumunta sa VirtualBox Organization. 2. Click Downloads at piliin ang version na para sa OS mo. Most likely, Windows yan. 3. I-download ang installer at pagkatapos i-open ito. 4. Sa setup Windows. First, click Next hanggang lumabas ang license agreement. Next, accept the term, then click Next ulit. Next, gamitin lang ang default settings. Next, kung may lumabas na warning about networking, just click yes. And number 5, click install, wait for it to finish, then click finish. Congrats! Na-install na ang VirtualBox. Pwede na tayong gumawa ng virtual machine para sa Ubuntu at Linux Mint.
Paano nga ba mag-install ng Ubuntu sa VirtualBox? Unahin natin ang Ubuntu. Isa ito sa pinakasikat at beginner-friendly na Linux distributions. Step 1. I-download ang Ubuntu ISO. Pumunta sa ubuntu.com/download/desktop. Piliin ang latest LTS version. Usually, may long-term support. Click download at hintayin matapos.
Step 2. Gumawa ng Ubuntu Virtual Machine. Number 1. Open VirtualBox. Click New. Number 2, pangalanan nito ng Ubuntu. Number 3, type Linux version, Ubuntu 64-bit. Number 4, set RAM to 2048 to 4096 MB. Mas maganda kung 4 GB. Number 5, select create a virtual hard disk now. Click create. Number 6, piliin ang BDI, then dynamically allocated. Number 7, this size 20 to 30 GB, then click create. Step 3, i-configure ang Ubuntu VM settings. 1. Click setting ng Ubuntu VM. 2. System motherboard, uncheck EFI, optional lang to. 3. Processor, bigyan ng 2 cores. 4. Display, enable 3D acceleration. 5. Storage, click empty optical drive, click this icon. Choose Ubuntu ISO file na dinownload mo. 6. Click OK, then click Start. Okay.
Sa welcome screen, piliin ang language. Then, click Install Ubuntu. Then, choose your keyboard layout. Sa installation type, piliin ang erase disk and install Ubuntu. Next, piliin ang time zone and gumawa ng username at password. Wait until matapos, then click Restart Now. So bago mag-restart, remove ISO. Can be found sa Devices, Optical Drivers, and uncheck ISO. Now, you're inside Ubuntu.
You might notice that the desktop still shows the default Ubuntu wallpaper. We actually tried to change it, and you can see that in the screen recording. But it didn't work because we're still not familiar with how to properly change the wallpaper inside the virtual machine. We're still trying and we'll try again next time. We promise that in our next Linux OS installation, which will be the Linux Mint, we will make sure to set our group photo as the wallpaper.
Paano mag-install ng Linux Mint sa VirtualBox? Ngayon naman, Linux Mint ang install natin. Ito ay Linux-based pero mas user-friendly sa mga galing Windows. Step 1. I-download ang Linux Mint ISO. Number 1. Pumunta sa Linux Mint comp download PHP. Number 2. Pili ng Cinnamon Edition, pinaka-beginner friendly. Number 3. Piliin sa download mirror na pinakamalapit, then save the ISO 2.5 GB.
Step 2. Gumawa ng Linux Mint virtual machine. First, open VirtualBox to click New. Name, Linux Mint, type Linux, version Ubuntu 64-bit. Set RAM, 2049-4096 MB. Select Create a virtual hard disk now to click Create. VDI to click to dynamically allocated to disk size 20 to 30 GB.
Configure setting ng Mint VM. Number 1, click settings ng Mint VM. Number 2, system, motherboard, or uncheck EFI. Number 3, processor, assign 1 to 2 cores. Number 4, display, enable 3D acceleration. Number 5, si storage load, the Linux Mint ISO, click OK then start.
So, to install Linux Mint, you have to boot into the live environment. Double-click Install Linux Mint. Piliin ang language and keyboard layout. So, sa installation type, piliin ang Erase Disk and install Linux Mint. Next, select your time zone, make a username and password. Then, click Continue and wait. So, bago mag-reboot, alisin ang ISO sa devices, optical drivers, and uncheck ISO. Then restart the VM. Now, you're running Linux Mint.
Ayan, naset up na natin ang VirtualBox at successfully natin na na-install ang Ubuntu at Linux Mint. Sana makatulong ito sa mga gustong mag-practice ng Linux or mag-test ng system features nang hindi nasisira ang real computer. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat!
This time, in our Linux Mint installation, we successfully changed the desktop wallpaper. We used the drag and drop method to set our group photo as the background. It was easier compared to Ubuntu, and we're happy that our group picture is now part of the desktop. It makes our virtual machine feel more personalized and fun to use.